Hi guys, welcome back to Cooking Up Love. Today I'm going to show you how to make this incredibly creamy Cajun chicken pasta. It's smoky, spicy, and ready in about 30 minutes. We pan fry Cajun seasoned chicken, then lots of onions, peppers, and tomatoes, a little garlic, and make a cream sauce with cream cheese and parmesan. Add your favorite pasta to this Cajun spice creamy alfredo sauce. If you've tried Cajun chicken pasta at Chili's or Cheesecake Factory, I think you're really gonna love this, and you'll be surprised how fast and easy it is to make at home. Let me show you how easy this is to make. You'll need about a pound of chicken breast, Tony Chachere's Creole seasoning, onion powder, smoked paprika, pepper, kosher salt. I've got about a half of a medium sweet onion, 1 large garlic clove, a tomato, sweet red pepper, pasta, chicken broth, heavy cream cheese, and parmesan, plus avocado oil and butter. I like to get the pasta cooking first in a separate pot, so the pasta can cook alongside the chicken. It saves time and then it just gets mixed into the creamy Cajun sauce. I'm using mini penne, use your favorite. When the pasta's done, drain and rinse it in cold water to prevent it from sticking. Next for the spice mixture. To start, I'm using Tony Chachere's Creole seasoning, and if you don't have it or can't find it, I'll add how to make a homemade Cajun spice mixture below. Measure out 1 tablespoon, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and this is my favorite smoked paprika. It finally came back in stock at Trader Joe's. You'll need a half teaspoon of smoked paprika, a half teaspoon of kosher salt, and stir this up. Today I'm using 2 chicken breasts. That's about a half of a pound, and I'm splitting them in half. And then I'll pound them into thin, even pieces. And I do this so that they'll cook faster and more evenly. And it also tenderizes the meat. I'm using a sheet of plastic wrap. You can also use parchment or a plastic Ziploc to cover the chicken. And almost anything heavy will work to pound it out. A meat mallet, skillet, or a rolling pin. And I'm using this curvy ice cream scoop. Now dust the chicken with the Cajun seasoning blend on both sides. If this is your first time at our channel, we'll show you how to make delicious dishes you can proudly share with everyone you love. And I'd love to have you join us every week when we share new recipes. So go ahead and subscribe and hit the bell so you find out when we post the next one. Heat a large skillet over medium-high heat and add about 2 tablespoons of avocado oil. Once the oil is hot, add the seasoned chicken. And cook this for about 4 to 6 minutes until the chicken gets some color, and then turn. Add 2 tablespoons of butter and continue cooking this. While the chicken cooks, I'm going to chop the veggies. You can do this before you start as well, because the chicken does cook pretty fast. Seed the peppers, and these are just sweet red peppers. And this is going to be about a half a cup. Then roughly chop about a 1/4 cup of sweet onion. When the chicken's done, remove it from the pan and add the veggies. I'm starting with the onions and peppers. Give this all a stir and try and get the fond and the bits of chicken off the bottom of the pan. I'm going to quickly give a rough chop to the tomato and take out the stem area on top, and then add it to the onion pepper mixture. This smells so good already. Okay, next to make this into the cream sauce, add 1 cup of heavy cream, and a half a cup of chicken broth. And I'm grating in 1 large garlic clove. Bring this to a low simmer and add 2 ounces of cream cheese and stir this to melt. Give the cream sauce a taste and add more of the Tony Chachere until it's at the spice level that's right for you. I've added another teaspoon here. Continue to simmer the cream sauce to melt the cream cheese. And add about a half cup of grated parmesan cheese. Taste and correct your seasonings. I've added another teaspoon of Creole seasoning here and stir it all up. Add the cooked pasta and fold it into the cream sauce. And let this simmer for about 3 to 4 minutes. This looks like a lot of sauce, but the pasta is going to soak some of this up, and it's going to be perfect. Next, slice the chicken and add it back into the dish for serving. And I like to top this with some parsley and a little more parmesan for serving. This is so rich, it's so flavorful. I just know you guys are going to love this. Serve it with salad and some crusty bread. It is so delicious. Let me know if you make this, and if you liked today's video, remember to hit the like button. Thanks so much for stopping by today. I've linked up some of our favorite easy recipes here for you to enjoy. Take care guys, and I'll see you in the next video.